Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the TV. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the set is plugged into power, because interruptions break updates. Once done, check storage so the download fits and keep your remote or paired phone handy. Now navigate to Settings, choose System, then About, and select System Update. You're starting the update right away, don't skip this. It triggers the download process and verifies your current software build before the device proceeds. You'll see the update download begin. Let it run without interrupting the TV. Once the package finishes, the system verifies integrity. That's why you must avoid power cycles and background resets. If the installer asks, approve permissions and follow on-screen prompts. The TV may reboot automatically several times to apply patches. Make sure any paired devices stay paired, and once the install completes, the TV performs a final optimization. You finish by confirming the new version in Settings System About, then update your apps so they match the OS. If something goes wrong, for example the update fails or the TV boots oddly, free up internal storage, reboot both TV and router, and try again. Those 2 steps solve most issues. Make sure to capture error messages or screenshots. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up accounts and settings, because that erases local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.